Yeah, I'll come and help you. Bob, you better come with us. So, otherwise you'll be out of luck. Fine, I'll come. I'll have to help my brother. Okay. Look. Walks downstairs. And Julie, knock this off. You know you're not supposed to do this. Yeah. Dave, why is your hair like that? It's like roleplay. I'm just coming to help Julie. Okay. Now I'm getting out of the vehicle now. I don't want to be crushed. Holy crap. Whoa, tense. Oh, this is weird. A bunch of people over here. There will be no killing of anybody. Julie. Got that? You got that? See. Why's your hair like that? I like roleplaying. Everybody else did that. Hug. To the city. To the state. Everybody else is asking the question because your hair always looks so ridiculous. Hey, that is nowhere to talk to your boss. Yeah. Boss and I say that. You're being sassy. And your point is... shut up. Don't tell me. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna go back to Joe, I misspoke here. Yeah. I got you now. Yeah. No. Don't kill me. You're gonna die. You're dead. Oops, he fell. Yeah, what did you? Yeah. No, Julie, don't kill him. Get off him. Out. Watch that claws. Watch the claws. Joe, you better watch you put your hands. Not cool. Stick your hands down. Especially what? The next? Sure it was. Let me at him. Okay, I think you need a time. Let me at him. Dave, keep an eye on her. Sit down, Julie. I'm gonna go get Bob. Now, let's go up to the microphone area. Okay. Fine. You goes upstairs. Fix the legs. Here. That's that. And then boom. Now, what if I told you without acting out loud? How to control your temper? Sorry, he's making me so mad. He kept being like, what does you do? That's what he does. He likes to make people mad. Hey, can sue them for injuring him or trying to kill him. You were trying to kill him, and now he's gonna sue us all. He's gonna sue our parents off him. Boop. Damn, man. I'll sue every one of you. Apparently the audience is still here. Yep. We never left. Okay then. Yeah. Double okay then. But this has been a very interesting day. I say, wait a second, are we still on the air? On TV and stuff? Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah. You got embarrassed, you all got embarrassed. Well, that's all, folks. Been a very interesting day. Vehicles were damaged, tempers were flared, people zoned out, people teased. We might get sued. Bob hates his brother. Steve likes Mario and role-playing. I'm gonna have a long talking with my wife when we get home. And I'm going to be so mad at Joe forever. Well, that's nice. Now get off the microphone. No. Now. Fine. Thank you. You're welcome. And cut. Good. We're no longer on the air.